It's finally here. You can now create realistic AI avatars from absolute zero using XAI Grok Imagine inside CAD's AI. And I'm not talking about stiff, robotic characters. I mean human-looking faces, natural motion and blinking, clean lip sync with your voice, and a complete workflow that takes you from image to video, then to a fully talking avatar, all in one place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate lifelike avatars step by step using this setup, so whether you're building faceless content, ads, or digital presenters, you'll be able to produce studio-quality results without complex editing or multiple tools. Some of the avatars we are going to create will look like these ones. Just take a look.
Today was exhausting. I think I'm just gonna sleep right away. Inhale, exhale. Slow it down. Feel the movement, not the rush. This actually feels right. I don't need to change anything. I'm ready.
Before we jump in, welcome to Rey Creators Lab, where we explore the best AI and online tools to help content creators work smarter and grow faster. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to level up their content creation with AI. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss new tutorials, tool breakdowns, and creator workflows like this one. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Generate the face. This is the foundation of everything. If you get this right, the rest of the process becomes much easier, because your avatar's realism starts here. Head over to ArCAD's. I've left the link in the description below. Once you're inside, click on Image. Select the model Grok Imagine and set your aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're creating a vertical talking avatar. Now paste in your prompt, double-check your settings, and hit Generate. This will produce the base face image that will turn into a fully animated avatar in the next step. Step 2. Animate the image. Switch over to video. Choose the Grok Imagine model again and upload the image you just generated. Set the duration. I've found that 3 to 6 seconds works best for natural motion, and keep the aspect ratio at 9:16 to match your vertical format. Next, add your motion prompt to guide how the avatar moves. Subtle head motion, blinking, or natural idle movement usually delivers the most realistic results. Once everything is set, click Generate. Step 3. The realism rule. Believable avatars stay subtle. The quieter the motion, the more human it feels. Over-animating can make an avatar look artificial. Use this motion prompt. Small natural movements, slight head motion, soft relaxed smile, natural blinking, gentle breathing, subtle body sway, realistic human motion. Keep the character mostly still and focus on micro movements and natural pauses. That restraint is what sells realism and makes the avatar convincing on screen.
Inhale, exhale. Slow it down. Feel the movement, not the rush.
Step 4. Make her speak. This is where things start to feel unreal. Upload animated video as the reference. Then generate a new video and add your script. This is what drives the voice and lip sync. For example, you could use something like, "Hey, I just wanted to show you this new look. New dress, new energy, new chapter for me." Once you generate, you'll notice how clean the lip sync stays and how natural the voice sounds. This transforms an animation into believable talking avatar.
This actually feels right. I don't need to change anything. I'm ready.
And that's how you create realistic AI avatars from scratch using Grok Imagine inside ArCAD's AI, from generating the face, animating it, dialing in realism, all the way to full voice-driven lip sync. If you found this helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe to Rey Creators Lab, and share it with another creator who wants to step up their AI workflow. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss new tools, tutorials, and creator strategies. Let me know in the comments what you're building with AI avatars. And if you want to go deeper, check out the next video where we explore more AI tools designed for content creators. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.